Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a professional account on Twitter. So simply in order to do this, just you have to visit your Twitter sign up page, and after that just click on sign up with phone or email. So if you have already Google email, you can easily sign up through Google. So simply just click here and now type here your name, like I am typing my name here, and after that here you can log in through phone or email. So simply just I will paste my email here, and now here just enter your date of birth. Now after that click on next. Now here click on sign up, and now wait for few seconds. Our email code will be sent here. Now here authentic your account. So simply just complete this, pick the matching cards. So simply just I will pick the matching cards here, and now next picture you have to also pick the matching cards, and now in third picture you have also picked matching cards. So finally we have done this. Now type here the verification code. So simply just go to your email inbox and check your verification code. So just copy this code and paste it here. After that click on next. Now here you can type your password. After that click on next. So now here just upload your picture. So just select a good photo and simply upload it here. So here you can adjust your photo, and after that click on apply. Now click on next. So here you can select your username. So in my case I have this username. You can also customize your username. So simply after that click on, like I select this one. So simply click on next. Now here if you want to turn on notification, then click on allow notification. Now here your account is finally created. So simply here you can see their trends. So if you want to follow some trends, you can simply join the trends here. So on the left side you can see home, explore, notification, profile. So simply go to profile, and here you can upload your profile, like you can add your cover photo here. Simply go to edit profile. So here you can type your bio, location, and if you have website you can simply type your website here. Now after this, just what you need to do is you have to follow some of celebrities here if you want, and also after this go to home, and here you can type your tweet, and simply after that send to it. So in this way you can easily create a professional account on Twitter.